Namaste, Sat Shri Akal, Adab. I'm Vedanta Gawala, your host today, welcoming you all to #Spiritual Talks. Amid the environment COVID-19 has created, the need of hour is positivity. We all listen from everybody. Be positive, be happy, be calm. But how can we be positive? Today in this video, I am gonna answer you this question. So without wasting any time, let's begin. Let's first understand something. We all have one mind, yeah? And that one mind possesses two distinct characteristic functional parts, each named as conscious mind and subconscious mind. Your conscious mind is like the captain or navigator of a ship. It gives direction to men and women present in the engine room, and they carry out his orders blindly. In the same way, your conscious mind is the captain of your ship, your body, your environment, and all your affairs. Your conscious mind takes the orders you give it to based upon what your conscious mind accepts as true. अरे भाई ये सब तो ठीक है, but what about positivity? From where will we get? Do we have to order it from Swiggy or Zomato? The answer is absolutely no. It's already within you. The only thing you need to do is to wake it up. You need to sow the seeds of positivity on rich fertile soil of your subconscious mind. For this, you doesn't need to be a farmer. The only thing you need to do is to sit in meditation position, close your eyes, and just constantly set your mind. In this world, everyone is fit, everyone is happy, everyone is fit, everyone is happy. The best time to follow this trick is early morning or the time before you get to sleep. अरे भाई पता नहीं दिख नहीं रहा है क्या? कोविड-19 के केसेस बढ़ रहे हैं, लोग मर रहे हैं और तुम बोल रहे हो everyone is fit, everyone is happy. Yeah, this is the interesting fact about the trick. See, this is not a vacation time going on. This is a rebooting time. Nature is rebooting itself, and hence we also need to reboot ourselves. Spending whole day chilling with Netflix or PUBG will not work. You need to provide your mind with good food, and good food for your mind is positive thoughts. Remember, positive thoughts don't come at once. It is a slowly development process. Before ending this video, you must be wondering, but what about the precautions we are taking? Then, in this case, you tell to your mind that these precautions are making my lovely world more fit, more happy, more hygienic, and creating a pollution-free environment. Bring positivity in your life and eradicate the negativity of this demon. So that's all in today's video. Consider subscribing, hit the like button, comment your reviews, stay in your home, be fit and keep everyone fit. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.